Good afternoon to all. This is your mathematics section for grade 7th. Our chapter name is fraction. Under fraction, already we have learnt addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, then multiplication of fraction. Okay, in multiplication of fraction, last topic. Value of the product of two fraction. Value of the product of two fraction. Okay, so when any two whole numbers are multiplied, the product is greater or less than each of the number. When any two whole numbers are multiplied, the product is greater than each of the numbers, right? Let's see one example. Take the whole number as 21 one whole number, then 3 another one whole number. Or we can take many small numbers. Okay, just take 7 and 3 for the whole numbers, right? Yes, when you are multiplying this whole number, what is the product? 7 into 3. What is 7 into 3? 7 3s are 21. Yes, very good. So 7 3s are 21. Whether 21 is greater than 7? Yes, 21 is greater than 7. Then 21 is greater than 3, right? This product is greater than that of the numbers, right? 21 is greater than 7, 21 is greater than 3. So when any two whole numbers are multiplied, the product is greater than each of the numbers. Okay, when any two whole numbers are multiplied, the product is greater than each of the numbers. See, the product is 21, the 21 is greater than each of the numbers, right? So same one, let us now see what happens to the value of the product when two fractions are multiplied. We are going to see what happens when the value of the product when two fractions are multiplied. If you are multiplying two fractions, what is the value? That one we are going to find. So the heading is value of the product of two fraction. Value of the product of two fraction. First we are going to take two proper fractions. Okay, so first is two proper fraction. Two proper fraction. First we are going to multiply two proper fraction, then we are going to find what is the value, whether it is greater than or less. Okay, so first take the find the product of two fractions. Find the product of, you can take any two proper fraction. Okay, product of I am taking 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Just take any two proper fraction. Find the product of 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 are proper fraction because numerator is lesser than the denominator, so it is proper fraction. So now we are going to multiply these two fraction. Okay, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. We are going to multiply these two fraction, that is 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. You all know how to multiply a fraction by a fraction, right? So first we need to multiply the numerator, that is 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 3. 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 3. 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. So our product is 1 by 6. Okay, now 1 by 6, this is the product. First take the first fraction, that is 1 by 2. Which one is greater? Which one is greater? Yes, very good. 1 by 2 is the greater number. Then take the product value, that is 1 by 6. Then take the second fraction, 1 by 3. Now which one is greater? Yes, very good. 1 by 3 is greater. So from this we can say when two proper fractions are multiplied, the product is less than each of the fraction. Okay, from this we can say when two proper fractions are multiplied, the product is less than each of the fraction. Okay, first take any two proper fraction, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Now multiply the proper fraction, we are getting the product 1 by 6. Now check with the given fraction 1 by 6, this is the product value. First take the 1 by 2 value. Which one is greater? 1 by 2 is the greater number. So next take 1 by 3 and take the product value. Here also 1 by 3 is the greater fraction. So when two proper fractions are multiplied, the product is less than each of the fraction. Okay, So thus when two proper fractions are multiplied, the product is less than each of the fraction. Do you all understand? When you are multiplying two proper fraction, the product is less than each of the fractions. Okay. Next one is two improper fraction. Two improper fraction. Two improper fractions. Here also just you can take any two improper fraction. Okay, what is improper fraction? Improper fraction means numerator is greater than the denominator. You can take any two improper fraction. So find the product of I'm taking the improper fractions to 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. So next we are going to find the product 3 by 2 into 5 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 into 5 by 2. So what we need to do, first multiply the numerator, that is 3 into 5 divided by 2 into 2. Okay, 3 into 5 divided by 2 into 2. What is 3 into 5? 3 5s are 15 divided by 4. So our product is 15 divided by 4. Okay, now we are going to compare with the given fraction. Okay, our product is 15 by 4. Our fractions are 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. First compare with the first number, first fraction. So our product is 15 divided by 4. Then our first fraction is 3 by 2. Okay, so our product is 15 by 4. Our first fraction is 3 by 2. Which one is greater? The greater number is, this is the greater number. Okay, 15 by 4 is the greater fraction. Next take the second fraction. Our product is 15 by 4. Then second fraction is 5 by 2. Second fraction is 5 by 2. Our product is 15 by 4. Then our second fraction is 5 by 2. Which one is greater? Yes, 15 by 4 is greater. From this we can say the product of two improper fraction is greater than each of the two fractions. Okay, product of two improper fraction is greater than each of the two fractions. See here, in the first listen here the product is greater than the given fraction. Here also the product is greater than the given fraction. So the product of two improper fraction is greater than each of the two fractions. So finally we can say the product of two improper fraction is greater than each of the two fraction. First we need to take two improper fraction. Here the improper fractions are 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. First find the product of the two fractions, that is 15 by 4. Then now compare with the given fraction. 15 by 4 compare with 3 by 2. Here 15 by 4 is the greater one. Then compare with 5 by 2. Here also 15 by 4. That is our product is the greater one. So the product of two improper fraction is greater than each of the two fractions. In the proper product of two proper fraction, here the product is less than each of the following. When you are multiplying two proper fractions, the product is less than each of the fractions. When you are multiplying two improper fraction, the product is greater than each of the fraction. Okay. So next one is proper and improper fraction. Here we are going to find the product of one proper fraction and one improper fraction. The last two headings, first heading we have taken two improper fraction, then next one we have taken two proper fraction, but in this part we are going to take one proper fraction and one improper fraction. Here 1 by 2 is the proper fraction, 5 by 2 is the improper fraction. Okay, now we are going to find the product of 1 by 2 and 5 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 5 by 2, 1 by 2 into 5 by 2. Now multiply the numerator, that is 1 into 5 divided by denominator is 2 into 2. Okay, what is 1 into 5? 1 into 5 is 5 divided by 2 into 2, 4. So product is 5 by 4. Now we are going to compare with the two fraction. Okay, first take the proper fraction. 5 by 4, 1 by 2. 5 by 4, 1 by 2. Which one is greater? Yes, 5 by 4 is the greater number. Next we are going to take the improper product and the improper fraction. So 5 by 4 and 5 by 2. 5 by 4 and 5 by 2. Which one is greater? Yes, very good. 5 by 2 is the greater number. So from this we can see when a proper fraction and improper fractions are multiplied, the product obtained is greater than the proper fraction, lesser than the improper fraction. Okay, greater than the proper fraction, lesser than the improper fraction. So when a proper fraction and improper fractions are multiplied, the product obtained is greater than the proper fraction, lesser than the improper fractions. Do you all understand? So when a proper and improper fraction is multiplied, the product obtained is greater than the proper fraction and lesser than the improper fraction. Understand? Next example problem. Example 13. Fill in the boxes using the appropriate sign without actually finding the product. Find the boxes using the appropriate sign. Okay, that is greater than or less than, without actually finding the product. No, we no need to find the product for the fractions. Just we need to fill the boxes with the signs. Okay, so first question is A part. First question, 5 by 11 into 6 by 11 box 5 by 11. So here 5 by 11 is which type of fraction? It is proper fraction. Yes, then 6 by 7 is yes, very good, proper fraction. When you are multiplying two proper fractions, the product is dash then of the fraction. Already we have seen when you are multiplying two proper fractions, the product, this is the product. Okay, this is the product part. So this product part is dash than each of the fraction. Yes, less than each of the fraction. Okay, so when two proper fractions are multiplied, the product is less than each of the fraction. So put the lesser than sign. Okay, so when two proper fractions are multiplied, this is a product. The product is less than each of the fraction. Okay, next here also same. 5 by 11 and 6 by 7 are two proper fraction. When you are multiplying two proper fraction, this product is less than each of the fractions. So here also less than. Do you all understand? This is the first condition. When two proper fractions are multiplied, the product is less than each of the fraction. Okay, so this is a product part. This one is a proper fraction. When you are comparing two parts, here it is less than of the fraction. Okay, understand? Okay, second question. 15 by 4 into 12 by 5. 15 by 4, this is improper fraction. 12 by 5 also improper fraction. So when you are multiplying two improper fraction, the product is dash than of each of the fraction. Dash than each of the fraction. When two improper fractions are multiplied, the product is dash than each of the fraction. Yes, very good, greater than each of the fraction. Okay, this is the second condition. Then two improper fractions are multiplied, the product is greater than each of the fraction. The product is greater than each of the fraction. Here also two improper fractions are multiplied, the product is greater than each of the fractions. Greater than each of the fraction. Okay, then third question, 12 by 21. 12 by 21 is a proper fraction. 14 by 3 is a improper fraction. So when a proper fraction and improper fractions are multiplied, the product obtained is, this is the proper fraction. The product obtained is dash than the proper fraction. Dash than proper fraction. Yes, very good. Greater than proper fraction and lesser than Improper fraction. Very good. Greater than proper fraction, lesser than improper fraction. So this is the proper fraction. This one is the improper fraction. So when a proper fractions or improper fractions are multiplied, it is greater than the proper fraction, lesser than the improper fraction. Do you all understand? So when two proper fractions are multiplied, the product is less than each of the fraction. Okay. So when two improper fractions are multiplied, the product is greater than each of the fraction. When a proper fraction and improper fractions are multiplied, it is greater than proper fraction, lesser than improper fraction. Understand? Yes. So next question, exercise 2A, question number 6, solve fifth question. Question number F. Our question is the product 2 by 5 into 9 by 10 greater than each of the given fractions? Justify. They are asking 2 by 5 into 9 by 10, that product is greater than each of the given fractions. We are going to prove whether it is yes or no. So first find the product of these numbers. Two by 5 into 9 by 10. 2 by 5 into 9 by 10. Here both are which type of fraction? 2 by 5 is a proper fraction. 9 by 10 is also a proper fraction. Okay, first multiply the numerators. 2 into 9 divided by 5 into 10. 2 into 9 divided by 5 into 10. Here we can cancel 2 and 10, right? Here we can cancel 2 and 10 in the same table. 1, 2 is 2, 5, 2 is 10. So write the remaining numbers. 1 into 9 divided by 5 into 5. So our answer is 9 divided by 5 5s are 25. 9 divided by 25. Now just compare with the given fractions. 9 by 25. Then 2 by 5. 9 by 25, 2 by 5. Which one is greater? Which one is greater? Yes, 2 by 5 is the greater number. Now 9 by 25. Then 9 by 10. Which one is the greater number? Yes, 9 by 10 is the greater number. What they have asked in the question is the product 2 by 5 and 9 by 10 greater than each of the fraction. Here 2 by 5 and 9 by 10 are the product of 2 by 5 and 9 by 10 are lesser than each of the fraction. But in the question they are asking is the product 2 by 5 into 9 by 10 is greater than each of the fraction. Here no. The product of 2 by 5 into 9 by 10 is 9 by 25. This 9 by 25 is lesser than each of the fractions. Okay, lesser than each of the fraction. Understand? So finally you need to write like this. Now the product 2 by 5 into 9 by 10, we have found that is 9 by 25 is lesser than both the 2 by 5 and 9 by 10. Why? It is a proper fraction. Since each of the fraction is a proper fraction, so it is lesser than the fractions. Understand? The question they are asking is the product 2 by 5 and 9 by 10 greater than each of the following. No, it is not greater, it is lesser. Okay, first find the product, that is 9 by 25. Now check with the fractions. 9 by 25 is greater than 2 by 25. No, it is lesser. Then 9 by 25, whether it is greater than 9 by 10. No, here it also lesser. So finally you need to write the product 2 by 5 into 9 by 10, that is 9 by 25 is lesser than both 2 by 5 and 9 by 10, since each of the fraction is a proper fraction. Understand? You all understand? Yes, I have completed the today's portion. So we have completed the multiplication. Okay, multiplication of fraction. Next class we can start division of fractions. Okay, so we have completed addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, then multiplication of fraction. Next class we can see division of fractions. Okay, learn all the problems and do the homework properly. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the Zoom class. Okay, thank you all.